Hello everyone, I'm Ahan. I'm uploading another video. So as you've already seen from the title, this video is about the rarest biomes in Minecraft. Okay, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. So this these biomes which will be shown in today's video are listed in order of rarity. So the last one is going to be at the end. Okay, so let's start with our first one. It's Swamp Hills. Okay, so as you can see, these are Swamp Hills, and if I open the F3, you can see that this is a normal swamp here, and here these are Swamp Hills. So these are quite rare. So if you came across one in your world, you're lucky because these are really rare, and not every single hill in swamps are Swamp Hills, but some of them are, and there's a small chance you're gonna find Swamp Hills. So next up we have the Shattered Savannah. Let's go there. And so yeah, this is basically a shattered savannah. It's really cool looking, or well, it's cool or ugly for some people. And yeah, so these are actually very tall mountains, and yeah, some acacia trees on it, and it goes really high. Sometimes it can go to the world height limit. As you can see, this one goes really high. Floating islands, sometimes the terrain is like that in these biomes. And yeah, so that's the Shattered Savannah. Okay, so next up we have Ice Spikes. Okay, so these are the ice spikes. This is the next biome, and so it's really cool one in my opinion, because normally you will find it in snowy biomes like these, like snowy tundras, or sometimes in a rare case you can find it. So yeah, it's a very rare biome, and it has these really cool ice spikes, some tall, some small, like these, and they're made out of packed ice, so it's a really good way to get packed ice or blue ice. And as you can craft blue ice with packed ice. Okay, so next up, we've done 3 biomes already. Let's move on to the next one. So we are here. You might be thinking these are some, well, looks like normal mountains, but not exactly normal. These are gravelly mountains, and gravelly mountains are, well, it's mostly the same as mountains, except almost the same as mountains, except the most of the stone has been replaced by gravel, so it's a good way to get gravel off it. Okay, let's move on. Now this may look like a normal taiga, yeah, and this is a giant tree taiga, and these are rare. These are very rare. So there's giant tree taiga over here, and just a few blocks away here, you can see this is a giant spruce taiga. So you might be thinking, are they the same? They look absolutely the same. The name is also the same, but almost the same. But so the difference is that in giant tree tigers, well, in giant spruce tigers, the only difference is that the leaves, there are much more leaves, many more leaves surrounding the tree. And in giant tree taiga, the trees don't have so many leaves compared to the giant spruce taiga. And also the trees are 4x4 in both of the biomes. Okay, moving on. So now we've seen giant tree and giant spruce. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So it's getting even more rarer as we come across the eroded badlands. Well, normally you see these things. These actually normally generate in eroded badlands, and there are loads of these. This is not a big one, but yeah, so normally in eroded badlands you see lots of stuff like these, and yeah, stuff like these. Lots of these are gonna generate. Okay, so we've done lots of rare biomes. We are moving into the top 5 now. So this is an extremely rare biome. This This is the bamboo jungle. And yeah, so bamboo jungle is a variant of the jungle. The jungle looks normal like this, but bamboo jungle, not many trees and lots of bamboo here. And it's also one of the only places where you can find pandas. So I'll just show you how they look like. And yeah, so bamboo jungle has two variants. This is bamboo jungle and these are bamboo jungle hills. So yeah, it's a very very rare biome. Normally you will find them in jungles, and yeah, pandas also spawn there. So we've done lots of rare biomes. We have 4 more left. Yeah, so the fourth one, let's go there. And this is a very very rare biome, and lots of features are cool about it. So these are mushroom islands, mushroom fields. Mushroom fields sure are like, is it basically the shore around the whole island. It's a very small, not so small, but it's not as big as other biomes. And yeah, you can find them in the middle of the ocean very rarely. And yeah, so actually there are lots of facts about this biome. The floor is made out of mycelium, and this is also the only place where you can find these mobs. These are mushrooms, and this is the only place where you can find them. And also another fact, this is also one of the only biomes where no mobs except for the mushrooms will spawn. That means no hostile mobs at night, except for spawners of obviously. No hostile mobs are gonna spawn here in this biome at night, making it very safe actually. Okay, moving on. So we've done lots of rare biomes. Now we are on the top 3. Snowy Taiga Mountains. Yes. So these, as you can see from the F3 menu, this is Snowy Taiga Mountains, and this you also might be thinking, what is so rare about this? This looks like, well, normal Snowy Taiga biome to me, but Snowy Taiga Mountains is a very very rare variant. I mean, here are Snowy Taiga Mountains, and it's almost exactly the same as Snowy Taiga Hills, which also generate more commonly in snowy taigas, but snowy taiga mountains are very very rare. So if you come across one, yeah, you can see these are snowy taiga hills. So it's also a very small difference between snowy taiga hills and snowy taiga mountains. Maybe the mountains are slightly taller than the hills. So yeah. Okay, now we are into the very rare ones. Here we have, let's see, so these look like normal badlands, right? But except these are modified Badlands Plateau. So it's a very very small difference. I mean, these are normal Badlands Plateau, and here are modified Badlands Plateau. The difference is, well, very less. You can see the plateaus are really big in modified Badlands Plateau, and it's bigger compared to the normal Badlands Plateau over here. And that's what there is. Even mine shafts generate a lot here. Yeah, that's all there is for modified Badlands Plateau. Yeah. Now this is what everyone has probably come to this video for. We are into the rarest biome in Minecraft. That's right. So this is a jungle, but is that really rare? Yes, but you want to know the rarest? Okay, this is a modified jungle edge. So you've probably seen we've seen a modified biome before. We've seen modified Badlands Plateau, and this is the modified jungle edge, which is very 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 rare. So in order for this to generate modified jungle edge, you need a jungle biome to border a swamp hills biome. So you can see my biome is swamp hills, and I already talked about the swamp hills earlier. So when a jungle biome meets with a swamp hills biome, it makes a modified jungle edge. So that's the only way modified jungle edge is really well generate, and yeah, making it very very rare, as a swamp hills biome touching the jungle biome is very very rare, and it's not likely to happen. Okay, so yeah, that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and because I put effort into making this, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all I have to say, and bye. Hope you have a nice day.